Welcome back, fellow Dart enthusiasts. In this thrilling installment of our Dart tutorial series, we're diving deep into the world of functions. So get ready to level up your coding skills in this video. Functions are the building blocks of any programming language, and Dart is no exception. They allow us to organize our code, make it reusable, and solve complex problems with ease. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of functions in Dart, from creating simple functions to utilizing parameters and return values. Join us as we unlock the power of functions and take our coding abilities to new heights. Let's begin by understanding the anatomy of a function. We'll learn how to declare functions, specify parameters, and execute code blocks. Dart's syntax for function is intuitive and flexible, making it a joy to work with. But wait, there's more. Functions become even more powerful when we introduce parameters. These allow us to pass values into functions, making them adaptable and versatile. We will explore different parameter types and learn how to leverage them effectively. Now, what if we want our functions to produce results? That's where return values come into play. By returning values from functions, we can obtain computed results, which can be used for further operations or stored in variables. In addition to traditional functions, Dart also supports anonymous functions, also known as lambda functions or closures. These compact and flexible functions allow us to write code concisely and efficiently. Now imagine a bustling city with towering buildings. Each building represents a function in your program. Inside each building, there are rooms and hallways symbolizing the function scope. These rooms hold variables that are specific to each function and they are accessible only within that function's space. In this vibrant city, you see how variables within a function are like treasures hidden within their rooms. They are valuable and meaningful within their own confines but remain hidden from the outside world. Just as people can't freely access the rooms of other buildings, variables in one function cannot be accessed by another function unless explicitly shared. This visual representation helps illustrate the concept of function scope by creating a vivid analogy that connects with the idea of restricted access and encapsulation. It encourages viewers to grasp the idea that the variables are confined to their respective functions, emphasizing the importance of understanding and managing scope for writing efficient and organized code. With our newfound knowledge of functions, we'll be able to structure our code better, improve code reuse, and make our programs more modular and efficient. So, whether you're a beginner exploring Dart for the first time or an experienced programmer expanding your skill set, this tutorial is for you. Join us on this exciting journey to master functions and Dart programming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Dart tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.